Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a lovely Diwali holiday. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful eggless ragi recipe. All you need is 1/4 cup of mashed bananas. Then we will add jaggery powder. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil and give it a really good mix. Make sure that the jaggery is really dissolved well. Well, you can even chop your jaggery before into small pieces so that it's easy to mix it well. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of ragi flour, 1/4 cup of atta or maida, baking powder and baking soda. I've sieved all together and then I'm going to mix it really well. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk, but make sure you add little by little so you know that the consistency comes right and you don't over add the milk. Just keep mixing well so that the batter is formed well and you get in a good batter consistency. The batter shouldn't be too liquidy. You can see how the batter is made and the batter texture. It looks really good. Now I've taken a cupcake liner. I've added the cupcake liners to it, a cupcake tray, added the cupcake liners to it, and now I'm pouring my batter into the mold. Just make sure you fill at least half the batter into the cupcake mold. And I'm going to top it up with almonds, but you can top it up with any other dry fruit. And I'm going to bake these at 180 degrees for at least 20 to 25 minutes and see how the cupcakes are ready.